Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to be a little bit quieter because Brayden is sleeping in the other room and it is the middle of the night and I am just in no mood to sleep. I just felt like filming. That being said, I wanted to come up with some outfits for the road trip to Florida. It'll probably be about like a 4 or 5 day road trip, but I'm gonna come up with 10 outfits just to make it more fun. And for me, I'll probably still be wearing like the outfits in Florida, but I'm not gonna be wearing all of them on the road trip. But this is going to be 10 outfits to wear on your summer road trip. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, outfit number 1. Just got this white crop top, kind of like a t-shirt style, but it's like really breathable, like athletic wear material. And then I have some nice black leggings. And I'm going to only be probably bringing 2 pairs of shoes. So one of them is going to be these Converse, which I feel like match with this outfit pretty well. And they're just skinny leggings. And I added some gold hoops just to dress it up a little bit. And I might wear my hair down, but we'll see. This is probably what I'm gonna wear either on day 1 when we leave on our road trip, or like when we're moving and kind of like packing up the car and packing up boxes and stuff. So either option. Hex, stop eating plastic. Okay, and now this look. I don't know what day this look would be for, but it's a super cozy outfit. We've got these shorts. These are from H&M, I believe. I don't remember where the top is from, but it's just a little bra top. This jacket is also from H&M. It's just a little cropped zip up hoodie. And the bucket hat is from PacSun. And I did like cute little ponytails because I thought that would be cute, and the jacket would be just nice to have because you can take it on and off and it's really easy. I get hot and cold a lot in the car sometimes. And then same shoes. I just think that it'll be easier if I just have 2 pairs of shoes I have to worry about. But hats are always good because you don't really want to be doing your hair a lot on a road trip. So, and it looks like this without the jacket. Okay, next we have this red dress. This is from Holara, and it's also got shorts underneath, and I think it has pockets too. Yeah, for like your phone and stuff, so that's really cool. So it's super easy to wear, very comfortable, and then I just have my hair up in a ponytail because I thought that would be cute with like a little scrunchie. Part of the reason that I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes is because this just does not look good with the Converse, but I think it's gonna look good with these chunky sandals, and I also don't want to have to wear socks the whole road trip. Like I might feel like that gets too uncomfortable, so these can be my option for when I don't want to wear like shoes and socks together. Yeah, I think that's cute. We are going to be road tripping during the 4th of July, so I was thinking this maybe for that day, but I don't know if we're going to be in Nashville on the 4th of July, and it also feels like a very Nashville like style, I guess. So maybe I want to wear it in Nashville. Here is another outfit. So this is a matching set, biker shorts and a kind of sports bra-y top. Well, more like a tank top. But it's like a grayish color. I don't know if you can see the color much on camera, but I figured this would be cute with like a hat. And maybe my hair down, maybe it back in like a ponytail or something, but this is also a super comfy option for a road trip. And this one I think will look okay with the Converse, I'm hoping. This outfit is more for when you're going on a road trip where there's a lot of really pretty places and you want to get some really pretty content. So it's cute, but it's also comfortable because the material of the skirt is just really soft. And this is just really easy to wear. It's just a little tie up top. So I thought this would be like pretty easy to wear on a road trip, but it's not like the most lazy, like sweats activewear typical look for a road trip, but it's still just as comfortable. So if you want more beautiful content on your road trips, then a maxi skirt is a really good idea with like some kind of bra top. Cannot tell if this is cute or not. So I've got these linen shorts. They're very cute, and then this is actually Brayden's shirt, but I thought it would look cute with this outfit, so I don't know. I think it's cute with the hair down, and I added like a chain necklace and a little choker. So I think it's a cute situation, and I think it'll look even cuter with the platform sandals, because I think those ones will go with this one the best. It's very 90s, I will admit, but I like it. I don't know, I feel like it's kind of retro and cool. Next up is this dress. That's about as far back as I can really go, so I can't really show you the end of the dress, but it's really long, and I just have slippers on with it right now, but I would wear the, well, honestly, both could work. The chunky sneakers or the sandals would work with this. And I've got my hair in a little top knot, but something I also like to do with my hair is like 4 braids back, and I think that's a really cool way to wear it for a road trip, because it keeps it out of your face and you can wear it like that for days. But I just didn't want to do it right now, so I did a bun because I thought that looked cute with this dress too. And this is super comfy and easy to wear, so it's going to be easy on a road trip, but it also looks really nice, so you can get some good photos with it. This skirt is also from Halara. It's just a cute white tennis skirt, and I'm just wearing it with this tank top and my gold jewelry, of course. This would look good with the sandals or the Converse, I think, so you can't go wrong. Okay, I couldn't not include this. I know everyone knows about this t-shirt dress, but it is my absolute favorite thing ever. I have this one and I have the Van Halen one, the white one, and they're both my favorite. I look at Urban all the time for more, but I can't find any that I like as much as my Nirvana and my Van Halen one. I would love more, but those are the only 2 that I love that they've come out with. But it's so comfy. You can just wear biker shorts underneath. Easiest thing. And it's a good swimsuit cover. It's good for summer. It's good for pajamas. Like, it goes for anything. So of course I have to include this and bring this. I got these biker shorts from Halara, and they're my favorite thing ever. I feel like they fit me so perfect. They're so flattering. And so I paired it with this white tank top, obviously my gold jewelry, and this will be perfect with my Converse. I feel like it's such a good look. I know they're just biker shorts, but I think I can wear them with like anything, you know? They work for so many things, but I think this basic outfit is perfect. So I picked mostly basics, and the reason for that is because I am probably going to be living off of just a few outfits, because I don't know when I'm going to be able to unpack my stuff into a real apartment, because we're going to be basically living in like a hotel probably for the first little while. So I need stuff that I can mix and match really easily, and that I can just take to the laundromat and wash really quick and then reuse. So I picked mostly basics so I can kind of mix and match outfits. And I'm now back in my jams because I am done filming and I should probably go to bed. It is, what time? 1:53 in the morning. I don't know why I felt the urge to film this late at night. I was truly going to wait until tomorrow because it's Memorial Day, so I have it off work, and I was just full of energy, and I just thought, let's just get this knocked out and film it now. So I hope the lighting was okay. I do have a ring light, so I figured the lighting would be a-okay, but I was originally planning on doing it during the day, so if the lighting bothers you, let me know in the comments, and I will try to avoid filming at night from now on. But I thought it'd be just kind of cool and fun and different to do a road trip outfits video this middle of the night. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you got some inspiration ideas for your summer road trips. Have so much fun vacationing this summer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!